In this video, I will show you how you can build the image generation from scratch. It's very good AI model, efficient for text and realism, as you can see. Or maybe you can take this and bring it to life later on.
𝐸𝐴𝐻 would be awesome. Yeah.
Okay, that's enough. Hi everyone, this is 𝐲𝐭𝐚𝐫𝐿. Welcome back. So in this video we'll talk about the image. What is the image? An open source AI model image generation. You see, you can have this image, uncensored image of course if you want, and it's work with low VRAM. Yeah baby. And yeah, you see this is the comparison and it's so good in text. You see, this is with Flux and 𝐬𝐭𝐚 comparison, and for that we'll use ComfyUI, a very good platform. And if you're not familiar with it, you can watch this video. It will take you from the scratch. So we are in ComfyUI. You can go to template and search the image and you can have this template. But if you're interested like me how I can build that from scratch, you are in good place. And you see it will take you how we can download the image, the AI model, and how we can store it. But let's go from scratch. And if you watch that course, the 𝐾sampler is the main thing of image generation, and it will take a model. We're gonna load a diffusion model using that, you see, and we have this 𝐸𝐻 Turbo F16, you see. So we're gonna use that. Of course, in the description I will tell you how you can download it and place it. So for positive, we need clip encode, text encode, and as you can see I will mark that as a green, and we're gonna load a clip. We talk about that in that course, what is the clip and how we can use it. So we're gonna use 𝐬𝐭𝐚 for this. It will translate the text to AI world. So we need a -1 too. So we're gonna use the same node, but I mark it to the red, and this is the negative. Okay, we need latent. We're gonna use empty latent for it. You see, very straightforward. And the output need to decode, and we need VAE for that, and we're gonna load that. We're gonna use AE file, and we're gonna preview the image. That's the simple setup. You see, that's the whole thing. So we need a prompt. So we need this prompt, a Latina female with thick wavy hair, and we need this text, 𝐲𝐭𝐚𝐫𝐿 coming soon. Yeah baby, we're gonna release 𝐸𝐻 after this, and if you don't know what is 𝐸𝐻, you can watch that. So we're gonna generate the first image using that prompt, and we're gonna see what is the result here. You see, yeah, not bad, and the text is good. So far so good. If you like this kind of video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content. So with that, we're gonna fine tune this one. For example, I will delete the empty latent, and we're gonna use, they suggest to use empty SD3 latent. So that's one, and we're gonna use this sampler called REA multi. Yeah, I think that RES multi step, and we're gonna adjust the step, and maybe we're gonna change this clip to translate accurate lumen 2, and we're gonna generate now. So fast forward, it's very fast AI model, but I am skipping that to not wasting your time guys. And yeah, let's see. You see, yeah, that's awful. We need to do some adjustment. For example, I need to fine-tune this AI model using this model sample your flow, something like that, and we're gonna make it 3. And this CFG, wow, this is very important. I will bring it back. I will decrease that for 3, for example. And now if I hit play and fast forward and let's see, yeah baby, better, but yeah, we need some adjustment. So yeah, comparing for the previous one, it's better, honestly, you see, more clear. And yeah, the text has issue, but let's bring the CFG down for 1, for example, and let's generate again, fast forward, and boom, you see, man, love it. 𝐿𝐸𝐻 coming soon. Very good, honestly. And we can have some adjustment for the step. Maybe we can have more step. And yeah, let's see. Yeah, for example, let's change the CFG and let's see what we got here. Boom. But yeah, more realism, but the text, yeah, it's not that good. And you can experience lower CFG and more step, as you can see, and you can see the different. And boom, wow, so stunning. 𝐿𝐸𝐻 coming soon. So let's say after this I have this one, and with this course you can take this one and make it yours. You see, you can bring it to life. Man, love it. So with that, if you're interested, the link in the description. See you in the next one. Goodbye.